Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of Orange Peeling with iPayBTC. Today we'll be discussing Lightning Network solutions. My name is George and
My name is Grace. So let's dive into today's topic.
while the Bitcoin network is a revolutionary technology, it faces significant problems in scaling to accommodate mass adoption. The Bitcoin network processes transactions every 10 minutes, with each block size limited to 1 megabyte, allowing for 7 transactions per second. This limitation leads to higher transaction fee and slower confirmation of transactions, making it less practical for everyday use. The Lightning Network is a solution built to address these Bitcoin scalability issues, enabling faster and cheaper transactions by moving transactions off-chain.
Benefits of the Lightning Network. 1. We have speed. Transactions on the Lightning Network are nearly instantaneous, making Bitcoin suitable for everyday purchases such as buying a coffee or paying for public transportation. 2. We have lower fees. Conducting transactions off-chain, the Lightning Network significantly reduces transaction fees, making smaller transactions economically viable. And the last, we have scalability. The Lightning Network can handle millions of transactions per second, surpassing the traditional payment system like the Visa card and the MasterCard, making it scalable for mass adoption.
The Lightning Network represents a solution to the Bitcoin scalability challenges, enabling faster, cheaper, and more scalable transactions, which can make Bitcoin a global currency and practical for everyday use.
Thank you for following us on today's episode. We hope to see you next time. And do remember to follow us on all our socials and see you next time. Bye.